Robots in space.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mike DeVerde, and I'm an aerospace engineer, and more importantly, a fighting Illini. In today's superluminal episode of Robots in Space, we'll discuss the latest updates on bot tech and the current standing of our proprietary indicator for the economic singularity, the Event Horizon Indicator. As I did previously with the Figure 02 robot, I'd like to make a minimal comment on this bot tech development for the Sanctuary AI bot's hand. The most obvious bot feature that currently differentiates the various humanoid bots is dexterity. Literally billions of tasks that humans do every single day depends on our 10 fingers. So, some of these bots have useless paws. Others rival human hands. And to me, the first and most obvious application is pick and place at places like Amazon warehouses that are already highly roboticized. Quote, dexterous capability is directly proportional to the size of the addressable market for general purpose humanoid robots, unquote, says James Wells, interim CEO and CCO. Sanctuary AI announces its latest breakthrough with hydraulic actuation and precise in-hand manipulation, opening up a wide range of industrial and high-value work tasks. Hydraulics has significantly more power density than electric actuators in terms of force and velocity. Sanctuary has invented miniaturized valves that are 50 times faster and 6 times cheaper than off-the-shelf hydraulic valves. This novel approach to actuation results in extremely low power consumption, unmatched cycle life, and controllability that can fit within the size constraints of a human-sized hand and forearm. We will now discuss the graph and equation that I developed to measure our progression towards the economic singularity, the Event Horizon Indicator. The value for November 2024 is 93.8, which is the lowest in 3 years. You can see that the trend has been steadily down lately. I'll remind you that when the indicator, epsilon eta, reaches zero and remains below zero, that indicates that we've finally reached the economic singularity with very low labor participation rates coupled with high unemployment due to the bots taking the jobs. The eclipse indicator symbol shows that the eclipse has just barely begun, but it has begun. The Event Horizon Indicator is derived from two impeccable data sources provided by Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis. This is the data for U.S. male labor force participation rates since 1948. Do you notice a trend? And this is another data source provided by Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis. This is the data for the U.S. unemployment rate since 1948. That huge spike in unemployment in 2020 is the Trump recession, where the Event Horizon Indicator briefly dropped below zero, but recovered swiftly under the Biden American Rescue Plan. Omni, futurists,